I guess I'll get some of them lower limbs off so it's easier to get in there with the pole saw.
Stand it back up and pack the hole and leave it.
That would work. I'm sure it will try to stand back up.
I put a pulley up there at the top and we'll just winch it back up.
You can Jen's truck again. And these things are heavy. Oh, I can grab that with the excavator and walk it over there. Yeah, I know, it's heavy. It's super heavy stuff. Can you hold this while I cut this one branch? I just don't want to bend that aluminum railing or hit the meter. Just this one. Got it?
I got it.
I think we can slide the rest off, hopefully. Probably,
Keep that hoe up, grab it.
yeah, that's what I mean. No, not that much. I'll grab this one right here first, and you can cut that one.
Yeah, I can do that.
And then we'll make some more room. Oh! Honestly thought I could reach higher than that. I think I can hold it.
What?
That. Well, you cut it as high as I can reach.
How far back you want to cut it?
Enough to counterbalance the top.
That's what I'm saying, back in here.
Yeah, with the blade down, I know I can hold it. Just make sure, try to counterbalance it when you make the cut. I think so. I mean,
I think
it's a pretty good sized top, so yeah, somewhere.
you'll be able to hold the weight though, right?
Yeah, with the blade down, I can hold it. I think. We'll see. I didn't think I had that much tension on it.
Make sure snaps that so out of mine here.
Yeah, I didn't think I had that.
Hold it pretty good.
I think it all fit on one load, right?
I don't know.
I hope so. It's a little bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, I don't know.
I hope. I guess cut this one with the pole saw and I'll get it off.
You're not going to hit me again.
I'm gonna try not to. I don't believe it had that much tension on it, but it might start to stand back up too. So
If you're trying to kill me, I'm going home.
be wary of that.
Get ghosts.
Damn it, that yard's soft.
You're digging holes.
He said he drives this truck in it all the time and ruts it up. It don't matter.
All right.
I asked him 4 or 5 times because I don't want to make anybody mad. I mean, got to get it off. He works at the prison. You better watch it. Oh, this is a fiberglass step. These ain't concrete at all.
They're still trying to get $400 or $500 a cent for them, but nobody wants them. I've seen them on Facebook a lot.
These are flimsy.
Yeah, they are fun.
It might roll the branch that way to close up on the thumb and you cut it, so this might come down and that might go up. But I'm not square on.
Everything coming this way. Like
Yeah, I didn't think it. I didn't have that much tension on it. I didn't think.
tried to kill me.
My freaking thumb's starting to leak. Yeah, quick coupler fitting. I tried to buy one, but they didn't have any in stock when I went to that hydraulic place last time. I could steal one off one of the skid loader attachments, but I'd rather just buy a new one, put it on there, and not have to keep swapping them out. Because it's
easier.
annoying. All right, make the cut and I'll get it down. You gotta pull it pretty good to get it fired up. There's a pull cord on it somewhere. Shit. Might have to force her back down then. Something there was holding her. lower it down or just pull it down and cut it? Yeah, that's what I was worried about. If it slipped, I was holding it that high. But I think I can pull it down from the piece that the bucket's on.
Pull it down, then just cut it. Let it fall.
Yeah, I think so. It might be best.
Come down half the step.
Yeah, you ain't worried about the steps. I don't want to hit the shed. Just let it lay on the step, I'll pick it off. Good Lord. Oh.
Hit that panel.
No. I positioned it perfectly so it couldn't be hit. No, I didn't hit it that time.
Okay.
Got this
panels.
one. There's a little ding, but
there's that one little spot right above the door has got like
yeah, it's rolled just a little bit. I did not touch the vent. We slid right beside it.
Dude, I forgot all about that furnace. I ain't used that furnace in years.
Yeah, right above that light. You see where the corners rolled just a little bit?
I see where it's rolled. I got a pair of seamers, man. I'll just
Didn't bend the railing, didn't break the light.
yeah. Growing up. I missed it last year.
And they girdled that thing.
What?
They girdled it.
Oh.
Surprised it
Tied
didn't
them
snap.
together?
I'm surprised the rope's going down to the hill there.
Oh, shit.
Surprised it didn't snap there with snow on it.
Yeah.
After a while, it cuts into them like that. It makes them really, really weak.
None of these trees are mine. Not a single
No,
one.
I know, but
Not a single one.
that one's going to be yours.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to say something to them when I see them because I think they're just renters.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell them, hey, you need to get up with your landlord and you need to tell him he needs to address these trees.
Especially that one. That one's
Like,
going to be an
you
issue.
Because I paid $1,800 about 10 years ago to have all these pruned back.
Wow.
Not that, yeah, they're growing back out again, but I paid to have them all pruned back.
It's a lot of ropes in them.
Yeah.
Every one of them's got ropes in them.
Yep. And then now I got them falling on the house. So
They're getting big, that's for sure.
yeah, you need to do something with these cedar trees.